i-ANC ibikade vele yenza intando yabelungu, yabo. Abelungu ikoti system enzima kakhulu, and i-system yabo bayisebenzisa ngemali. And they understand ukuthi umuntu omnyama thina we coming from the apartheid regime. La khona besingenalo ilungelo lokuba nemali. And manje sebesibuyisele kwi-system yabo ukuthi ufuna kusebenza imali, and now they using that power yemali, privilege yemali, yabo. Yabona i-ANC kusuka kudala from 1955, the time kwakhiwa i-Freedom Charter, i-Freedom Charter i-adoptwa, yabona. Okusho ukuthi i-system noma i-constitution ye-ANC ka-1912 isidiluthwa ne-communism, SACP, South African Communist Party. Then kwathiwa kwenziwa i-Freedom Charter, yabo. La khona kwathiwa the people shall govern, yabo. So yonke leyo ndlela leyo, it was a way to destroy umuntu omnyama. I-ANC was compromised from there. Then what's isikhathi seCODESA? Kwi-CODESA yilapha khona abaqeda khona nge-ANC. And there's no more ANC abantu abamnyama, i-ANC yabelungu. And then laba bantu by-ANC, all these years, they were fighting ukuthi bephelelise their duty, yabo. The mission abayivuma kwi-CODESA ukuthi bethathe whatever kumuntu omnyama. Umuntu omnyama, he don't deserve a land. Umuntu omnyama udeserve ukuthi ahlale la e-Africa engenayo indawo yakhe e-Africa. So akufuni ukuthi thina sibe kwi-constitution. Yes, we can tell ourselves ukuthi thina we are rightful owners of this land. But kwi-constitution they have to cut us off ukuthi singabe ama rightful owners alomhlaba. Benza ukuthi noma ubani unelungelo lokuthi aranele lizwe. Yabo? Then what they do laba bantu laba, i-ANC izame ngayo yonke indlela to destroy iNgonyama Trust. Ubuthelezi, then manje I can see ukuthi it wasn't actually IFP uyona yayivikela umhlaba kaZulu. It was ubuthelezi. These people should bona vele bebevele ukube kuthi umuntu onaphinda ngene wayengekho, babevele bezothatha umhlaba kaZulu bewunika belungu, so that bona bezophila kangcono nezingane zabo, so that they can have seat in the parliament. But umhlaba sibe singenawo, yabo. These people they bafuna ihlalo, but they don't have numbers. So ukuthi bebe nama numbers, they bahlangana nabantu aba wrong, the dangerous people, because abantu be-ANC they very dangerous. Why ngithi these people are dangerous? These people keti bakwenza nje kukhona inhlangano wakuthiwa i-National Party okuyona eyayipush i-agenda ye-apartheid, yabona. Okuyona eyayirunwa oBotha wayengumongameli we-National Party. Kukhona oFoster babengamongameli be-National Party okuyibona bona ababegqilaza umuntu omnyama. Kwahamba kwaba khona u-FW de Klerk naye waba umongameli waphatha le-National Party. I-National Party okuyona eyayiphethe i-South Africa ipush i-agenda ye-apartheid ukuthi abantu abamnyama akumele bebe nelungelo ezweni. They mustn't ukuthi belingane nabelungu. Suthi the color must be a privilege. Suthi if you minority yabelungu iyona okufuna ukuthi ibe phezulu. Then impilo babeyiphusha ngama-classes. Kukhona i-class ephezulu, yabona, okungabelungu okuyibo abelungu. Kukhona i-class elandelayo okungamaNdiya. Kukhona i-class elandelayo yesithathu okungamakhaladi. Then we were the fourth class, the bottom class. Even if nishathiwa nenza umsebenzi ofanayo, let's say maybe nenza umsebenzi, asithi sonke sixova udaka, yabo. Uma ngabe sixova udaka singama-bricklayers, umlungu maye bricklayer nge-hour yena kufuna ukuthi umlungu ahole 55 rand nge-hour just because he is white, yabo. Then bese kuthi uma ngabe uyindiya then uhole 30 rand, yabo, just because you are an Indian, yabo. So that's a privilege of color and a privilege of who you are. Then it's not like ukuthi thina siyaphila ukuthi sifuna ukuthi abantu bebe common, yabona, ukuthi abantu mabalingane, equality. Sorry, not that common, but equality. Then when uma ngabe uyikhaladi, then wena ufuna nge-hour uhole 15 rand. Yabona? Then uma ngabe ungumuntu omnyama, the last class, the bottom class, abantu okuyibona bona nanamuhla, that they have their own brothers abase parliament. And it's so painful. These people, the same people that are in the parliament, they're destroying their own brothers. They're destroying Tina. And Tina Namanje, they're pushing us down so that you can be the last class. Just for Ishalo, the parliament. They don't care about us. These people, they only need us when to find us vote. Then the rightful owner of this land, Africa, this land, not Indians, not white. They're coming from their continent, but they came here. And now they must be on the top class, and we must be at the bottom. And that land, no one must talk about it. If you talk about it, you're wrong. Only them, they have the right to talk about it. And then IFP is going according to that system. The system that's destroying us. It's going to the same people. So Tina, we had to put, if umlunga hola 55 rand an hour, India hola 30 rand an hour, Ikalati hola 15 rand an hour. Tina, we have put it hola 450. Kutiwa Tina, siyawazi ukuthi utshani Tina. Tina, we deserve nothing better. Tina, smelo kufa Tina. These things here, they say, this thing abazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu ayidala kanjani lezi zinto. This thing, they're supposed to be destroyed. That's why even in COVID, the same people who are pushing the agenda, the ANC, Europeans with COVID and all that. The Bash, but no, African are useless to their system, so they must be destroyed. And we're fighting. The only way we can fight these people, this agenda, is to vote for the party. And we vote for that IFP. And that IFP now is going to the same people. They say, Mnyama must be destroyed. You know? So that thing is so painful. And the IFP, ngeke kwazi destroy ANC. If the IFP ingena with ANC, the IFP will be controlled by ANC. And IFP is going to be finished. The ANC yakwazi ukuqeda i-New National Party. And ngesikhathi ithatha i-New National Party ifaka ngaphansi kwe-ANC, abelungu be-apartheid ibafaka ngaphansi kwabo, bathathwa ngazi bani Mascalvet into enjengalezo, bamthatha bamnika i-position eParliament. He didn't have numbers. He didn't have numbers that can put him, that can make him good at all. But the ANC, bamfaka and destroy the party. And that's what they're doing with Tuntuli. They're putting IFP. IFP, I deserve ukuthi ngathola ngalo uNkulunkulu. It doesn't deserve. Ayibanga namavoti ukuthi iyenze IFP ukuthi ithola uNkulunkulu isikhundla sika uNkulunkulu. Ayewatholanga lamavoti. But now icela laba abantu, the people that they're going to destroy them. Ukuthi no, guys, asibe nani so that we can have istulo. But they don't have numbers. They don't have numbers. IFP is going to be finished. ANC is dangerous. Its strategy ancient, it's powerful. These people in this country, we have abelungu. Abangapha ko Western Cape. Abanendawo yabo kuthiwa iOranio. And in endawo yabelungu, no one in the parliament say it must be destroyed. No one say no. Let's take this land from abelungu. Lapho khona kuthiwa khona ama-9 blacks. Afuneka umuntu omnyama lapha. No one is talking about that. Not DA, not ANC. That means that by pusha ukuthi agenda yokuthi abelungu bebe nomhlaba wabo in this Africa. La khona bangamdingi khona umuntu omnyama. It's right for them, but Tina, we don't have a right ukuthi sibe nomhlaba kwaZulu. And then the same ANC, he says Tina must be finished. The same ANC yafaka ubaba lokuthiwa Kgalema Motlanthe bathaka kube khona i-commission ezocinga ukuthi ngabe kufanele iNgonyama Trust ibe khona. But the same ANC akazange isho ukuthi i-Orano akube khona i-commission ezocinga ukuthi i-Orano ifanele ukuthi ibe khona ibe yabelungu kuphela. La khona umuntu omnyama engadingeki khona. They destroying umuntu omnyama. And IFP is going with the same people.